Welcome to QuizRad, the best place for fun, interactive quizzes. Resilience after failure, bouncing back stronger. Failure, it's something we all face, but what really matters is how we bounce back. Some of the world's most successful people have failed before achieving greatness. Your mindset can shape your success. In this quiz, you'll tackle 25 questions with 10 seconds to answer each one. Let's see if you have the resilience to bounce back stronger. Let's begin. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to QuizRad in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Let's go! What is the best way to view failure? As proof that you should quit? As a learning experience that helps you grow? Or as something to fear and avoid? As a learning experience that helps you grow? What is an essential trait of resilient people? They never experience failure. They adapt and keep trying despite setbacks. Or they avoid challenges to prevent failure. They adapt and keep trying despite setbacks. Which mindset helps with overcoming failure? I should never take risks again. I failed, but I can learn from this and improve next time. Or failure is permanent and defines me. I failed, but I can learn from this and improve next time. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? People who never fail are the most successful in life. Yes, you are right, it's false. Many successful people have faced multiple failures before achieving success. What does self-compassion mean in the face of failure? Being kind to yourself and learning from failure. Ignoring your mistakes completely. Or blaming others for your failures. Being kind to yourself and learning from failure. What should you do after experiencing failure? Avoid similar situations forever. Pretend it never happened. Or analyze what went wrong and make improvements. Analyze what went wrong and make improvements. Which statement is true about failure? Failure only happens to people who are not talented. One failure means you will never succeed. Or even successful people have failed many times. Even successful people have failed many times. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. How can failure help you grow? It teaches valuable lessons that lead to future success. It proves that you are incapable. Or it discourages you from trying again. It teaches valuable lessons that lead to future success. What is a common mistake people make after failing? Letting self-doubt prevent them from trying again. Using failure as motivation to improve. Or seeking support from others. Letting self-doubt prevent them from trying again. Which of these is a healthy way to deal with failure? Viewing it as feedback and adjusting your approach. Ignoring it and moving on without reflection. Or giving up to avoid further disappointment. Viewing it as feedback and adjusting your approach. Would you rather fail publicly but learn a valuable lesson? Or succeed without really knowing why? Comment down below. How can resilience be developed? By never taking risks, by challenging yourself and learning from experiences, or by avoiding difficult situations. By challenging yourself and learning from experiences. What role does a growth mindset play in overcoming failure? It helps you see failure as an opportunity to improve. It ensures that you always succeed. Or it makes you immune to failure. It helps you see failure as an opportunity to improve. What is not a productive response to failure? Seeking guidance from mentors. Reflecting on what you can do better. Or blaming external factors without self-reflection. Blaming external factors without self-reflection. Can you guess the odd one out? Yes, you found it! What can failure reveal about a person? Their level of intelligence, their ability to adapt and persist, or their permanent limitations. Their ability to adapt and persist. What is an important part of bouncing back after failure? Staying persistent and making adjustments. Ignoring the experience and moving on. Or quitting before experiencing more setbacks. Staying persistent and making adjustments. Which habit helps build resilience? Avoiding risk to prevent failure. Assuming success will come without effort. Or developing problem-solving skills and flexibility. developing problem-solving skills and flexibility. It's memory time! Remember the positions of these images. Okay, now tell me, this image is on which number? Yes, you are right! How does failure affect confidence? It can shake confidence but also build strength when overcome. It permanently lowers self-esteem. Or it has no effect on confidence. It can shake confidence but also build strength when overcome. What should you remind yourself after failing? You are not good enough. Failure is temporary and success takes time. Or you should stop trying. Failure is temporary and success takes time. What is the difference between failing and being a failure? Failing is an event, but being a failure is a mindset. There is no difference. Or failing is temporary, but being a failure is permanent. Failing is an event, but being a failure is a mindset. Did you know Walt Disney was once fired from a newspaper for lacking imagination, but he didn't give up and went on to create Mickey Mouse? How does failure lead to success? By discouraging you from trying risky things, by helping you develop better strategies, or by proving you were never meant to succeed. By helping you develop better strategies. Why do some people bounce back from failure faster than others? They never actually fail. They have a positive mindset and learn from mistakes. Or they avoid challenges. They have a positive mindset and learn from mistakes. What is an effective way to reframe failure? Seeing it as feedback instead of defeat. Avoiding situations that could lead to failure. Or believing that failure defines your abilities. Seeing it as feedback instead of defeat. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. Which of these is not true about resilience? It helps develop emotional strength. It helps people recover from setbacks. Or it prevents failure from ever happening. It prevents failure from ever happening. What should you do when faced with repeated failures? Stop trying altogether. Adjust your approach and keep trying. Or avoid situations where you might fail. Adjust your approach and keep trying. How does emotional resilience help with failure? It allows you to manage emotions and stay motivated. It removes all feelings of disappointment. Or it prevents mistakes from happening. It allows you to manage emotions and stay motivated. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? Failure can be a valuable learning experience if approached with the right mindset. Yes, you are right, it's true. A growth mindset helps turn failures into learning opportunities. What is an example of a resilient response to failure? Blaming others for the failure, trying a different strategy after analyzing mistakes, or quitting to avoid embarrassment. Trying a different strategy after analyzing mistakes. Congratulations! You've made it through! No matter how you scored, what really matters is that you're learning how to turn setbacks into comebacks. Failure isn't the end, it's a stepping stone to success. Keep growing, keep pushing forward, and never stop believing in yourself. If this quiz inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on personal growth and resilience. See you next time.